Lesson 13. Today, you get a chance to pull all your learning together and share all that your research team has found out about your topic. So just like when you finish reading a really good book, you share that with your friends and your family. You can't wait to tell them about the book you just read. The same is with your research. When you finish researching, you want to tell somebody else about what you have discovered and found out. Experts live differently. They don't keep their expertise to themselves. Instead, they share their knowledge and teach others. Your job today, share your expertise with your classmates, teaching them all you know about your topic. As I teach you about droughts, pay attention to what I do. Then we will make a list of what to do to teach well. Droughts by Mrs. McElroy, Casper, Bill, and Bob. Introduction. Droughts don't just affect humans. They also affect animals. Animals, like elephants, can die of thirst during a drought. Droughts are very tragic because of the Dust Bowl, what they are and where they happen, and the effects of a drought. Effects of a drought. There are many devastating effects of a drought. First of all, the water levels fall. Then the crops wither and die. As a result, food prices go up. These effects hurt everyone, even people at home. In Cape Town, South Africa, residents have to conserve water because they are in a drought. According to Caroline Rushmore, you have to think ahead and plan how much water you are going to use. Can you imagine planning how you are going to use water? She even has to plan how many times she will use the bathroom. What they are and where they happen. Droughts are defined as periods of extended dryness, and they can happen anywhere. First of all, droughts are caused by a weather front called La Nina. La Nina is a weather front that slows cloud development. Without clouds, we might not have any rain. That's when a drought happens. The droughts are mostly in places like California and Kenya. According to Jacob Batchelor, South Africa has been in a drought for the last 30 years. The Dust Bowl. The Dust Bowl is one of the most tragic droughts in history. First of all, it happened on April 14, 1935. According to Clara Beto, the sky was just as red as it could be. The drought was so severe that everything turned to dust. The dust came and covered the plains of the United States. As a result of the giant drought, many people lost a lot of money and became poor. Conclusion. As you can see, droughts are very tragic because of the Dust Bowl, what they are and how they happen, and the effects of a drought. So the next time you waste water, think about Caroline Rushmore and how she has to plan her water usage. Would you want to live like that? So as I taught, what did I do to teach well? First of all, I knew the main ideas and supporting details. Second of all, use an explaining voice. Next, make sure you use gestures. Finally, use a teaching finger to point out charts, illustrations, and diagrams to help explain. Now it is your turn. Discuss with your group how you will teach your topic well. Use the chart we made as a reference. You will have 15 minutes to put your presentations together and practice. Then we will record on Seesaw. Think about how you will keep your learners engaged in the lesson. Are you going to ask questions or have interactions with your students? Now we will begin sharing our topics with each other. Remember, all you need to do to teach your topic well. We are going to do the sharing during writing today.